Hello everyone, I'm Ashwini Bhimanpalli, currently working as equity research intern at inSAKE Solutions. Today my presentation topic is equity research and hedge fund strategies. Equity research and hedge fund strategies are two interconnected aspects of financial industry. Equity research involves analyzing and evaluating individual stocks to provide insights and recommendation for the investors, and hedge fund strategy on the other hand refers to the overall approach or methodology used by the hedge funds to generate return for the investors. Equity research is conducted by equity researcher or analyst. Their goal is to provide in-depth analysis and recommendation on whether to sell, buy, or hold the particular stock. An equity researcher gather information from various sources, including financial statements, company reports, industry publication, and interview with company managers. And hedge funds are investment vehicles that pool capital and investment and employ various investments. And their main motive is to return a positive return for the investors. And there are many strategies such as long-term, short-term equity, event-driven, etc. Thanks for.